In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item step by step using an online purchasing platform. Returning an item might seem daunting, but with these clear instructions, you'll feel confident and ready to get your refund in no time. So let's dive right in and make sure you have a smooth return process. First, you'll want to navigate to your purchase history. This is where you can see a list of all the items you've purchased through the platform. You can typically find your purchase history by logging into your account and looking for a tab or link labeled purchase history or something similar. Once you're there, you'll be able to see everything you've bought listed by recent purchases. Next, locate the item you wish to return. Carefully scroll through your purchase history, and once you find the item, you'll notice an option near it that says Return this item. It's often situated alongside options like track order or reorder. Clicking Return this item will take you to the next step in the process. At this point, you'll need to specify your reason for returning the item. The platform usually provides a list of common reasons for returns, such as the item being defective or not matching the description. Select the reason that best matches your situation. Providing honest and accurate reasons for returns helps the seller understand the issue and can often expedite the return process. If the platform or seller provides a return label, you'll need to print it out. This return label is crucial for sending the item back to the seller at no additional charge to you. It typically includes the return address and shipping information and often comes with prepaid postage. Once printed, securely attach it to your package. Now, it's time to ship the item back. You'll want to follow any additional instructions provided by the platform or seller regarding packaging and shipping methods. It's important to ensure that the item is packed safely and securely to prevent any damage during transit. Once it's packed and ready to go, drop it off at the specified shipping service, which is usually indicated on the return label. After shipping the item, the next step is to track the return and refund status. Most platforms provide tracking information after your return has been initiated, allowing you to monitor the package as it makes its way back to the seller. Keep an eye out for email updates